Yes, now say me the answer for this. You have x and y, and they're operating giving the command z equal to x double equal to y. So what will be the answer you get? We're comparing x and y. So compare element by element and see what is the answer. Either you will get an answer first or you will get an error. Answer or error. Answer means first three options. One you have to select. Error means select the last option. X has 4 elements, Y has 3 elements. So when you compare whether this comparison is valid or if the comparison is valid, what will be the answer? What is the answer? First 8 and 8. 8 and 8 are same, so 1. 7 and 7 are same, 1. 6 and 6 are same, 1. 5 you have, but there no element. So what is the answer? Can I select error? We'll see whether error is correct. Yes. When you compare two elements, the size must be same. Otherwise, there is no meaning in comparing the elements. Okay, so when you compare the element, the size must be same. So please remember that. Okay, the size of the two elements matrices must be same. Okay, this one is done. We'll go to the next section. Finding winning team records. That is going to be this next section name. Yes, you have a result data. So result has the team, away draws, away loses, away wins. Home draws, home loses, and home wins. So you have a 20 element of this workspace having the result analysis for teams. They are their home wins, home lost matches, and home drawn matches, and their away wins, away lost matches, and away drawn matches. So we are going to do the task. Write a command to check if each element of home win is greater than the corresponding element of home losses and save it in the result home winning. We have done this for home winning equal to home wins is greater than home losses. Similarly, check if away wins is greater than away losses and store it in the same variable, another variable. So same way I'm copying, I'm not changing. So instead of home, I'm giving away. That's all. The logic is same. Okay, I'm not replicating. And in wherever you have home, replace it with away. You're just checking which one is larger, whether home win is larger or home loss is larger. So we'll submit the answer and see. Yes. Maybe if I display variables, you will understand better. But again, everything will be zeros and ones. You will not know. One thing, zero means, one means, you know, the home win is more than home loss. Zero means the opposite case. That is what you can interpret from this thing. Okay.